Hey, what's up guys? We are the Centre Éducatif Beraka de Trou Gilot. Yes, I said it. We are back in Trou Gilot with our partners. They're currently not here right now and they're on the field, so I'm gonna go look for them. Let's get this day started. As I was looking around, guess who I found? It's Bernard. Hey people. So Bernard, tell him what's going on with the nursery, because last time we came along, we had just started, right? Let's give him an update real quick.
Here today, we're supervising amazing progress. We have about just a week work left and we are super excited.
So, I like the sound of that. All that being said, thank you Bernard. Guys, I actually found two members of the TECHO team. I'm introducing to you. This is Lola.
Good to go.
This is Tony. What's up, guys? Let's tell them real quick what's going on.
And so we are now building an house. How many volunteers?
80 volunteers.
I'm with my man Suba.
Yeah, nous avons 3 jours sous béton là, nous construisons 10 cailles pour 10 familles. Kounya jeudi c'est jour inauguration, nous avons fait 2 inaugurations là, nous avons avancé puis devant.
Yeah. Bon, my guy. Right now, behind me, yeah, you have the team that built this house for this family. I'm gonna introduce you guys to the team leader real quick. Wesley. What's up, my man?
Hello, tout le monde.
Yeah. Right now, I'm with the owner of this new home that I told you guys TECHO just built for her. Madame Marie Rassis. Marie, dis-moi nous qu'à garder nous là, on t'y baille, on t'y mot.
Yes, c'est true.
D'accord, pas un problème. So, tell everybody who's watching, how was it? How was the experience over the past couple of days building these homes?
Well, like this.
The day is over. We would like to thank everybody who came out, all the volunteers. We really appreciate you. These families appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out the link below in the description. Be safe, peace, and see you guys soon. What's going on with the nursery?
Man, you know, the nursery is moving pretty well. Right now we have just about a week of work.
Oh yeah.